Welcome back to another video, guys. Today, after getting the head back from the machine shop, we'll be finishing it up and getting it ready for reassembly. First, I cleaned all the rocker arms using the CHEM-DIP solution, followed by a rinse with gasoline, and they came out looking spotless. Now that every component is clean, it's time to start masking off the cylinder head. I'm taping all the sections that can't be painted using a precision knife and tweezers to get sharp, accurate lines. I even used a needle file in some areas to make sure we get the best coverage possible. With all the ports sealed and protected, it's time to prep the head surface for primer. Instead of sandblasting, I went with a rotary wire wheel. It's slower, but it gets the job done. After that, I gave the head a final wipe down using wax and grease remover to make sure the surface is perfectly clean before paint. For the finish, I sprayed 1 coat of ceramic primer, followed by 2 coats of gray enamel, and then 2 coats of ceramic clear, all rated up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, just like the engine block. After letting the paint cure for 72 hours, I carefully removed all the tape, and guys, this Vtec head turned out beautiful. Now it's ready for reassembly in the next video, where we'll start installing all the freshly cleaned plus new components and bring this build one step closer to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.